Class 7 English. Okay, so today we'll start from this page number 85. we have I taught you this. Now we'll start from here. They went now they all of them went to Lambrand. You forgot, you remember the story? So, Suchwitzer, Helen, his wife, okay, they went to Lambrand to open a hospital, now see, to serve the people there in Africa. Now see, they were now almost on the equator and the heat was intolerable. They came to the equator and middle and the heat was too much in there, too much hot. For there they took a streamer. Okay, streamer means that could go through water. Okay, like a sort of streamer means boat, but not boat. Okay, streamer that could go more faster than boat. Took a streamer to Ogu River to reach Lambrane. It was a terrible journey of 200 miles through thick forest. Thick forest they inside. Right, they went through the streamers through thick forest. What a country! Trees everywhere. No wonder there is so much sickness. Thought such, so much trees, but there is so much sickness. Thought Suchwitzer. Then they reached Lambrane. At Lambrane, Suchwitz was able to get a very old wooden bungalow. He got a very old wooden bungalow. Nobody lived there. No one was there. He had to become the. It had become the home of vermin. Vermin means wild animals. Okay. Both the husband and wife swept and scrubbed the bungalow. They cleaned the bungalow and made it into a well-equipped, okay, well-developed with everything. Dispensary means where you can get lot of medicines. Then they changed an old houseboat by the river, a sick bay, okay. Sick bay means a room where with beds for people who are ill, okay, like hospital. In hospitals you have rooms where people they lie down, okay, in beds, okay, that is known as houseboat. They made into a sick bay, a room of. Finally, they patched up with whitewash and trembled down. Okay, right, all fell down. The chicken house to serve as a consulting room. There was a chicken house where chicks stayed. That was a consulting room. Means they used to discuss the problem. Quickly, the news spread through the forest to a great white oranga. Okay, oranga had come to a Lambrane to cure sick people. Because someone has come from Lambrane to cure sick people. It was spread in Oranga. Was it? Now, Oranga is an African name for witch doctor, means someone who tricks. Okay, tribal doctor means doctors, those who live in tribe, means in forest, to serve people who are living in forest, tribal people, to serve tribe people. Witch doctor. Very soon, men, women, and children from all around started visiting Witchsway. Okay, they came to visit Suchwitzer in a continuous stream. They suffered from leprosy. Leprosy means a white disease. Okay, an infection disease that cause painful, okay, white areas and skins and can destroy nerves and flesh. That is known as leprosy. Dysentery means loose motion, malaria from fevers, and many skin diseases. Many were too ill to walk and many were carried by their friends and relatives. Some of them even died on the way. Okay, all patients came and visiting Suchwitz. Now, Suchwitzer one's great difficulty was that he did not know the local language. Now, one difficulty was he did not know the local language, that is a French language. He could often, it was impossible to tell patients how to take medicine. Now, he could not make them explain how they will take the medicine, which medicine to take. They would eat the ointment. Ointment means to apply on the skin. They would take that one. They swallow that, rub, okay, skin, rub the powder, okay, given to swallow. Okay, they would take this powder also. They did not know the way, means because they were language problem. They could not understand the language of Suchwitz. Okay, now see, luckily this problem was solved. How? One day, an African boy named Joseph came to him. In Suchwitz. He could speak French, the local language, and the African language also. He offered help to Suchwitz in his work. Now Joseph explained to the patients that what the doctor said, instruction, okay, means the said to do. He also took on the responsibility that the patients followed the rules of behavior, that they should follow the rules of behavior. At first, the patients behave very badly. They used to come and they used to behave very badly. They would shout, scream, spit on the floors, make terrible noises, but Joseph as soon made them behave properly. Joseph said them to behave properly and they could understand Joseph language, so they used to behave properly after that. Joseph was so efficient that Suchwitz decided to make a great use of his service. He gave Joseph some training of first aid. And employed him as a male nurse. Like a nurse, Joseph used to serve as a male nurse. Joseph helped Helen to nurse the patient in the sick bay. Sick bay means the room where patients stay. Before long, he had become assistant and operation. assist an operation now. As Satchwit's fame spread, his patients multiplied day by everyone started people coming more and more day by day. They came to him from a far away of 200 miles. He attended several hundred patients a day, and he never charged even a penny for them. He never took a penny for his service. Satchwitz worked from early morning until late night. Whenever he could find time, he worked and planned for his new hospital. With the help of the faithful Joseph, he cleared large tract means land of areas of land of large land of areas of land. They used to clear in the jungle. They used to cut down trees and clear the area. In burning the heat of the sun, they could cut down the trees and level ant hill to make level because they have to build a hospital there. When the ground was prepared, Satchwitz and Joseph began and the task of constructing the hut. Now, after the ground was level flat, started becoming constructing the huts, small huts as hospital. Okay, for today, this much. Okay, we read the chapter. Thank you. For today, this much.